I've seen a lot of people doing strange stuff. This is going to be quick and short, just to the point. We have a graphic card and a motherboard here, mini ITX system. As you see, the graphic card is installed. How do we remove it? Sometimes with your hand if you can reach the clip. If you can't, I use a sushi stick. It has a locking mechanism, so don't just try to pull out the graphic card. Release the clip by pressing it down, and then you will be able to pull out the graphic card. People are doing really strange stuff, especially beginner people, so this video is exactly for them. Why do I use sushi stick here when I can reach it with my hand? Because on newer cards, most likely you won't be having this old card. It's just for the demonstration purpose. You won't be able to reach with your hand. Don't use anything metal. You will scratch it or damage something on the board itself. With a wooden stick or something plastic, you're safe. You see? That easy it is to remove. Do not forget this. It's very important. It's that simple. Just learn the mechanism here. On newer Asus motherboards, there's a button for it. Unfortunately, since this is an older platform, we don't have any kind of fancy feature here. Just understand that clip needs to go down. Never hold it from the graphic card also. Some people are carrying it that way. Always hold the motherboard from sides. And you shouldn't hold it from here. Hold it like this. Or from underneath, at least. Just to be safe. And why do I use a box here? It's easier. There are pins underneath the motherboard also. As you saw on the clip there, it was halfway. It needs to be completely straight. That way it's locked and clicks. This is the way you can check. It's very simple, guys. This was a video response to those people who asked this from me. Now you know how to do it. Don't break stuff also. I'll see you on the next video. Take care of yourself. Like and share. Let's go.